Hi guys, another unboxing. This unboxing might be kind of sad or kind of sucks, bittersweet, you know, because this was a paid collab, right? I had to do a video showing these products and then I had to send it over to beautytap, but guess what? There's a certain deadline that you have to film the video and send it to them and do like a survey, and once you do get paid. But if you don't do it in time, you're not gonna get paid. And I didn't even get to film the content because, like I said, I had found a job, and the first week I was like oh crap, this is gonna be due. Was it like Saturday that I realized of that week? I don't know, but it was like a day due. Like I had it, what, Sunday was the last day I could film, so Monday I could turn it in. I was like I need to do it, but I was like feeling like I had other things to do. I wanted to relax. It was already nighttime. I was like, never mind, I'll just do it whenever I come back from work on Monday, and I totally forgot. So then, yeah, I didn't get paid because I didn't even get to do this because the timeline was already due. I was like, crap. So I haven't even tried them on. It's just been sitting there because it's like I could have gotten paid, but whatever. Like I should have just done it like quickly, rush and turn it in and like hope for the best, right? But no, I wasn't feeling it because especially like your first week of something new, like you just want to relax. Like imagine 6 days straight and you're like, no, I don't feel like filming for me, and like I don't feel like doing it. It's like another job. I'm like, no, I need to relax. I need to clean, and because I was so behind with cleaning and like figuring out what to wear and then eating, and then like I don't know, it's just a lot. So then time goes by quick whenever you have a job. I'm like, crap, it's my off day and it's already nighttime. Like, damn. So this kind of sucks unboxing this because I'm like, I didn't get paid for this, but whatever. So this platform is pretty strict. They don't want you to post in social media. They just want you to do it and then send it to them and then they pay you. I can't remember if this one was like that, but another one I did was like that. So yeah, I'm still just gonna film it since I'm not getting paid for it. I think it's already too late. I don't know, we'll see. I'm like, what, a week and a half late already? But anyways, so these are all lipsticks. These are from a brand called Lock. It's pretty cool, and it's the satin lipstick formula. So yeah, imagine I was like, I don't feel like sitting down and doing lip swatches and removing it. I was like, it's too much work. If you know, you know, like, no. And I don't even have regular makeup remover wipes to make it easier. I'm like, no, I'm not in the mood. If it was just one lipstick, I could have just done it, but imagine swatching all of these. No. So these are very pretty. Okay, they sent me like 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 lipsticks, and they have a variety of different shades. So we have a pinky one, like a burgundy, like brown, like warm orangey, like a lot of pretty shades. Okay, so I'm gonna start with the pink one. This is pink berry, so this is pretty exciting. I haven't even opened them. I haven't heard of this brand before, so it's pretty cool. Okay. Ooh, this is interesting. It looks like bullets. It's silvery. It looks pretty cool, pretty nice. Ooh, it feels very cheap, not gonna lie. It feels like flimsy, like this is gonna fall off. I don't like the packaging. It feels cheap, but the lipstick is what matters, right? The formula, we'll see. Oh, let me see how much product. Okay, so this is the amount of product it has. So smells like lipstick. It's kind of like this shade. This one's just a little bit darker. I love these shades, reds. I love it. So crap, I don't have my makeup remover. I was about to swatch, but this is made in Korea. So this is a Korean brand. No wonder I haven't seen this brand. This is pretty cool. So the formula, let me see. Ooh, you see, it's super like buttery and soft. Why does it look like it has like glitters? Like it looks like it kind of looks very pretty. Like, it feels super soft, like literally satin lips. This is satin. Literally felt like satin. I just swiped it and it feels super like buttery, like very super natural, like non-traditional lipstick like this one. So this one, you're gonna love this. The only thing about these is that you have to reapply throughout the day, because even though it feels super moisturizing on the lips, you can run out of lipstick. It's not gonna last all day, let's be honest. If you talk, if you eat throughout the day, you're gonna have to reapply. So that's only the downfall when it comes to satin lipsticks. But the formula, and it looks very natural and healthy on the lips. You just have to like reapply and all that, and be careful when you eat and all of that. And it also gets in your teeth because it's not matte. So, but I still love satin lipsticks. I'll still wear it. Just have to reapply. So I don't know the price. I'll put it here if I find it. But this is pink berry. So far, first impressions, I love the lipstick, not the packaging, but the formula, yes, and the color. So ooh, okay, so let's see. Okay, I should have maybe swatched them here. Give me a second. I wiped my lipstick and I thought it was gonna like remove completely, but no, it actually sets, and it looks like it's gonna like last on your lips. Never mind, like whenever you wipe the lipstick off, it looks like it's still gonna stay there. You're still gonna have a little bit of tint in there in your lips. And oh wow, for a satin lipstick, it looks like a matte, right? Like what? You can still see the lipstick. I just wipe it like this, so that's a good sign. It can be long-weary. So okay, let me just wipe this off again. Okay, so the next shade is burnt orange. Okay, burnt orange. My accent. Okay, I need to work on that. So burnt orange. Okay. Ooh, it looks more red. What the heck? And brown. It doesn't look orangey. So I swatched it here. I suck at swatch, but ooh. I think because of the shape, it's not looking cute. I'm just going like this and it looks very messy. I don't like it. Okay, but I do love the shade. It's kind of like this. It's just a little bit more orange. I love it. The formula is super soft and shiny and buttery. Like, I'm glad I got chosen for this, because even though I'm not getting paid probably, but it's fine. Like, okay, so the next shade is rose beige. Okay, rose beige. Oh, it looks like a brownish nude. It's super pretty. Ooh, this is pretty everyday shade. I like it. Ooh, it's a pretty nude. Okay, these shades, they look perfect for my skin tone. Ooh, I love it. I'm excited. Look for everyday nude, like a reddish, like a pinkish. Like, they're very pretty. Very pretty. Okay, the last three are the more vampy, darker shades. So this is in the shade Smoky Wine, so a good fall color. Alright, fall is almost coming. Damn, September is already here. No, I'm still not ready. I just love summer. Okay, this is a very chocolatey, like super vampy shade. So, ooh, yeah, very vampy, like a brownish burgundy shade. It looks more darker here, but once you swatch it, it looks different. It looks more purpley. Then here it looks more brown, you see. So whenever you buy a lipstick, don't be intimidated. Just please swatch it at the store if you can, if there's testers, because it doesn't look exactly like the tube, as you can see. So interesting. Okay, so far I'm excited for these shades. Okay, the last two shades. Okay, this one is cacao, so definitely just brown, right? So I feel so chill today. I don't know, because I haven't filmed, like super chill. Because this week I'm able to film because I'm off, so that's also why I'm able to sit down today to film. Okay, so this is a super dark brown. Oh, not dark brown, never mind. It looks like a lighter brown. I thought it was gonna look darker, but it's a pretty brown, like if you some fall shade. Ooh, okay. And the last shade is Marsala. Marsala is interesting name. Let's see the shade. It looks like a brownish. They all look brown to me. It's just like a mixture of these two. I can't really tell difference. It's like brown burgundy shade, and that's basically all of the shades they sent me. These are perfect for like fall, right? The fall transitioning and actually fall. So like, no, I still want like super bright lips, super bright nail color, super bright everything. I just love colors. So fall shades are boring to me, but they do look pretty, not gonna lie. I do like to wear them, but not as much. So yay, fall. A lot of people love fall, so y'all are probably gonna get excited for these colors. So you see the formula is like shiny, like it looks kind of wet. You see, it doesn't dry down matte, so it's a pretty natural. These also make you look like healthier, like younger and like glowy. And a lot of men prefer you wear this type of formula, I've noticed, instead of like super dramatic matte, because it looks like more healthy, like, you know. So you know what, that's it. I just wanted to mainly do swatching today. Maybe I'll do a mini clip here whenever I apply the lip product, swatching on my actual face, because swatching it on your hand doesn't look the same as your lips face, for, you know, help out people that have the same similar skin tone as me, you know. But I can't right now because I have like a freaking cold sore, so I'm like, I'll have to wait next week maybe because I'm gonna start working again probably, and I'm not gonna have time, but we'll see. But yeah, thank you so much, Beautytap, for sending me this Lock Satin Lipstick collection. I don't know if they have more shades or this is all of their lip collection. I don't know, but I love them so far. First impressions, y'all should definitely get these for sure. Greatful and look nice. I would buy. I wish they also had like a lighter pink natural shade for everyday. These are perfect. Yay, thank you so much. And if you want like to, you know, join Beautytap and maybe get paid whenever you create beauty content, I'll put the website where you can sign up and everything like in the description bar, because you can get picked sometimes you don't, so just have to like apply a lot. I barely got accepted for 2. So yeah, don't give up. If you want to do this for a living or a side hustle, I will send the website so you can fill out your information and then, you know, create like the specific content they want you to do, and then you send it to them and the specific deadline. If not, you're not gonna get paid. You know, they're a little bit strict, but you can do it. Like, okay, don't give up. You want to get a little bit of cash, you know, aside of as your job, or you don't have a job right now. So that's what I was doing before. I was like, so yeah, okay, so bye. Thanks so much for watching.